Hi everyone, hope you're all keeping safe during this tough time, this pandemic. This is part 4 of the Canary Breeding season. We've had quite a few chicks hatch, and obviously chicks have left the nest. That one keeps coming out and going in. All 3 doing really well now. That's the cock there, obviously. That's the hen. She's actually been picking up nesting material and trying to build in the seed pot. So I put a pan in for her today for a second round. Try and get a close up of these chicks. Oh yeah. There's 3 in there. One red-eyed as well. So that's them doing really well. This pair over here, I actually gave 2 of their eggs to that pair over there. I'll get to that in a second. But there's 3 in here. That's the hen and the cock. Again, do really well. So that's them. This pair down here I had a problem with. If you remember the last video, she's actually built a weird nest and she's sitting on 3 eggs, but 2 look cracked and obviously 1 looks fertile, so I'm just going to leave them to it. This pair down here, really good pair. Honestly, really good pair. That's the cock. And then the hen's like the lightest colour. When she's actually off the nest, he'll actually sit on there and guard it. And these have 4 chicks. They're about 5 days old now. Really good feeders as well. All 4 doing really well. That's them. Both last year's birds. So it's a really good start so far. Put them back. So this is the grey wings up here. Their eggs didn't hatch, not sure why. So I actually put some chicks in for them, and as you can see, so far all doing really well. It's actually really nice colours. There's 3 in there. So that's that pair. This pair, the old pals, only 1 chick has hatched. And is quite a big chick, 3 days old. That's that pair. That's the cock. That's the hen. And then we have this pair down here. These actually have 5 chicks. He's doing really well as well. There they are. Again, brilliant parents. Put them back. And then we have this pair over here. Just feeding her chicks actually. That's the cock. These again have 5 chicks, all doing really well. There's 5 little ones in there. These are about 3-4 days old. So yeah, it's been a, wow. I thought it was a bad start to the season, but it's all turned around, and so far it's been a really good start. There's 24 chicks so far. All doing really well. But yeah, I'll keep you updated, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.